Good. Hey, before we get you into today's video, make sure you first click the like button. It just helps get this video to more people. And don't forget, if you're new, subscribe to this channel. And lastly, we are getting ready to launch our brand new 30-day Fresh Gains program. So if you want to start the new year right and get in shape with us, make sure you get signed up on our email newsletter so we can notify you of when the program comes out. That said, Jess, you ready to get into today's video?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Joe Knotts from Twitter, his handle is @jknotts76. He wants to know, after a cheat meal, I'll weigh 3 to 5 pounds more the next day, and it takes several days to get back down. So do you have any ideas why?
I think Joe is one of the dudes that has a sick before and after photo that he sent me, transformation as well. So
cool.
Big ups to you, Joe. So he weighs 3 to 5 pounds more the next day after cheat meal. That's basically because of that when you eat that much carbohydrates in a meal, your body's gonna store a lot more water. So that's not fat. Like for you to gain 5 pounds of fat from one day, you'd have to be 3,500 calories.
Surplus. Like
yes,
above and
surplus.
beyond your regular.
Multiply that by 5.
That's thousands and thousands
You're
of
looking at a lot
for it to be fat.
So it's basically just stored water. Drink a lot more water. It's gonna help you flush that water out again, and just go for a good workout the next day. Don't worry about it. Like you can't freak out when you see these numbers on the scale. That's why we always say the weight scale is just not a good indicator of success or not.
The best thing you can do to fix that problem is stop stepping on the scale.
Yeah. Like I'm not saying don't ever step on the scale. I do like the scale, but you can't be like every single minute of the day checking, oh, do I weigh this? I weigh more now. Like, or at the beginning of the day versus the end of the day. There's so many variables in there that it's not the true indicator. So don't worry about it, Joe. You're killing it, man. Just keep up the good work.
We can tell you for sure though that it's not fat gain.
No.
It's not.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen those videos like on YouTube of people attempting to do the 10,000 calorie challenge?
Yeah.
They try to eat 10,000 calories a day. I've never seen someone succeed at that. I've only seen fails.
Michael Phelps.
They get it. Oh, he probably could. Yeah, that's true. But I've seen other like bodybuilder type peak fitness people do it, and they get up to like 6,000 and they give up because it's hard to eat that many calories in a day.
So to find the best program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. 4 simple questions will get you on the best program based on your goals, warm-ups, cool-downs, workouts, nutrition plans. We got it all. Today's question of the day: how often do you step on the weight scale to weigh yourself? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on how to recover after a cheat meal.